Welcome to lesson 45 of our interactive notes. You're going to need some kind of either colored pencils or crayons, highlighter. Doesn't matter exactly what colors they are. If you don't have any of these, if you just use your pens, pencil, and highlighter, it should work. But this will make it easier. Okay. So we're on lesson 45. So we're looking at unit fraction decomposition. That's pages 39 and 40. All right, so here our content objective for 4th grade and F, numbers, operations, fractions, B.3b. I can decompose a fraction into a sum of fractions with the same denominator. Language objective, I can use vocabulary related to fractions to communicate how unit fractions and the decomposition, how unit fractions and the decomposition of fractions. Social objective, I can work with others to create models to prove how to decompose fractions into the sum of unit fractions. So here, we've done decomposition before in different ways, but this time we're looking at unit fractions. So that means we're looking at just one piece at a time and to see what it looks like with our unit fractions. So here, 7/9, it's already cut up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. So here is my unit. A unit is just one of the pieces of the whole thing. So my unit fraction would be 1/9. But we need to represent 7/9. And you do not have to choose the same colors I do. So there's another 1/9. So far we have 2, but we need to get up to 7. Okay, there's another one. So 3/9. 4/9. 5/9. 6/9. And 7/9. So there is my decomposition of 7/9 into my unit fractions. They are all unit fractions. They all represent one of the pieces. Okay, so now we're going to do 4/7. So it's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to do 4 of them. Does not matter which color you start with first, but this right here represents 1 out of the 7. Okay, and here's another 1/7. A total of 2 of them. So remember, when we decompose, it's when we're writing them as a sum. breaking it down into parts, but we're writing them as a sum or addition. There's another one. There's our 3/7. And one more is 4/7. So there's 4/7, and here's my unit fraction decomposition. It's decomposed into the parts, written as a sum, and they're all units. Okay, 9/10. So this is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we need to represent 9 of them. Here's my first one. So there's 1 out of 10. Another 1 out of 10. Another 1 out of 10, a total of 3 so far. Another 1 out of 10. So that's 4. Another 1 out of 10. So that's 5 so far. Six tenths. Seven tenths. Eight tenths. And 9 tenths. All right, there's 9 tenths represented as a unit fraction. Unit fraction decomposition. Next one, we're going to represent 5/8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's our first unit. So that's 1 out of 8. Next one, that's 2 of them. Okay. Another 1/8, that's 3 of them. Another 1/8, that's 4 of them. And our last 1/8 to represent 5/8. So that's our 5/8 in unit fraction decomposition. Now 9/11. There's the first one. Our unit fraction is 1/11. Our second one, so that's 2/11. Next one, 3/11. Four 11ths. Five 11ths. Six 11ths. Seven 11ths. Eight 11ths and 9 11ths. That's a unit fraction decomposition for 9 11ths. There are 9 of them. Our last one is 4 6. So we have 1/6. Another 1/6. Another 1/6, so that's 3/6. And then our last one. It's our 4 6, our unit fraction decomposition for 4 6. So just to show you how these fractions break down, because this is 4 6, 9 11ths, 5 8ths, 9 10ths, 4 7ths, 7 9ths. All of these are represented, the fractions are represented, and then just showing you how they break down. All right, now let's go on to our 3-column notes.